In this video, I'll show you how to install Fluffy Mod Manager for Resident Evil 6. Check my video description for this mod manager. Right click and select WinRAR and select Extract to. Once extract done, right click on the game and select Open File Location. Drag and drop the extracted folder inside the game folder. And now open the mod manager. Open the mod manager.exe. Select more info and select Run Anyway option. In choose game, select the Resident Evil 6. Choose game folder. Choose the game's install folder. Navigate to the games folder and select folder option and select OK and select the mod list. Check my video description for this mod list. Choose the mod you like to install. For this tutorial, I'm gonna install this Shirtless Leon and Helena, a new dress. Once you download the mod you like, drag and drop the mod files inside this Fluffy Mod Manager. Once you drop the files, select the mod and turn on. Go back to mod list, Helena, turn on. This way you can install lots of mods, but make sure the mod is turned on in this mod list. Now you can close stuff here and launch the game. And as you can see, we successfully installed the mod. Leon is in shirtless and Helena's dress has changed to the dress we dropped. And that's how you can install any mods in Resident Evil 6. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.